Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I am so happy you're here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this glowy makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieved it, just keep watching. This video is in partnership with Sigma Beauty. You guys know I love Sigma so much, and they just came out with these two new products. This right here is their Beaming Glow Illuminating Powder in the shade Fairy Dust. And these are their new Spectrum color correcting duos. I have light to medium, medium to dark, and dark to deep. If you are interested in any of the products that I used today, I'm going to leave the links down in the description box as always. And before we begin, make sure you are following me on my other socials. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. So, without further ado, let's begin. I'm first going to apply the Spectrum Duo in the shade Light to Medium using the Sigma F64 Soft Blend Concealer Brush. The Spectrum Duos are amazing at neutralizing discoloration and brightening your skin. It's not at all cakey and leaves my under eyes feeling hydrated, which is such a bonus for me. I highly recommend this product if you're looking to even out your skin tone or brighten your skin. You already know I'm a full coverage gal, so I'll be applying my concealer and blending it in using the Sigma F47 Multitasker brush. I am absolutely obsessed with this brush. It's such a game changer. It truly blends my complexion products so flawlessly. If you're looking for an all-in-one face brush, look no further. Now, because Sigma sent me the dark to deep Spectrum Duo, I decided to apply it like I would my contour. I just love how hydrating it is, and it looks so beautiful on the skin. Now I'm going to apply the illuminating powder using the Sigma F67 Skin Perfector brush. Oh my goodness, this is my new favorite powder. This has such a beautiful pearlescent finish. It reflects light so beautifully and gives me such a gorgeous natural glow. Pores where it blurs the skin, and I'm so here for it. The illuminating powder is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, lactose-free, and gluten-free. Next, I'm going to apply this rosy blush from the Disney Cinderella Cheek Duo palette in the shade Ever After using my F92 blush brush from Sigma. Then from the same palette, I'm going to apply this lustrous highlight in the shade Aglow using my Sigma F35 Tapered highlighter brush. Time to do the brows, and I'm first going to use the Sigma Fill Plus Blend brow pencil in the shade Dark to outline, then fill the brows. Then to set the brows in place, I'm going to apply the Color Plus Shape Brow Powder Duo in the shade Dark using the E75 Angled Brow Brush from Sigma. To finish off the brows, I'm going to apply the Sigma Tint and Tame Brow Gel in the shade Dark. This is going to keep my brow hairs in place all day and give them a nice tint and make them look fuller. I've seen this hack on Instagram where people use their brow pencils as a lip liner, so I decided to try that today. Now I'm going to apply my Sigma liquid lipstick in the shade Cashmere. This is such a beautiful brown nude. I'm loving it. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, and I'll be using the Ambiance palette from Sigma. I'll be dipping into the shade Daylily and using the Sigma E25 blending brush to blend in this eyeshadow all over the lid. And next, I'll be dipping into the shade Enrich and apply that to the outer portion of my lid just like so. Next, I'm going to use my Sigma E15 Flat Definer brush and apply the shades Daylily and Enrich to my lower lash line area, just like so. Now I'm going to apply a wing using the Sigma Liquid Pen Eyeliner in the shade Wicked. For mascara, I'm using the Sigma Sinuosity Lash Mascara, which has such a beautiful curved wand that gives my lashes length and volume. Of course, I love the drama on my eyes, so I will be applying the Sigma Fantasy Faux Mink Lashes using my House of Lashes lash adhesive. To finish off this look, I'm going to brighten up the eyes by applying my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk to my waterline. And that completes this makeup look. I am obsessed with how this glowy makeup look turned out. I swear it just looks so radiant but natural, and I of course added more glow just to make it super glowy. I love it. I hope you guys do too. If you do, make sure to again thumbs up the video, subscribe if you haven't already, click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video, and make sure you are following me on my other socials. I will see you in my next one, and as always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!